Well, hello everyone. It's Shanti Titus here with Profit Mo Financial Services. I hope that you are having a great day. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Today we're going to be talking about Texas sales tax and some things that I think I need to bring to your attention. First and foremost, if you have a sales tax permit, I want to talk to you about some red flags that the state of Texas, or some different situations that the state of Texas sees as red flags. I had the opportunity to sit down to talk to an enforcement officer at the comptroller's office, and we pretty much were talking about sales tax specifically. And because when you go to the office, you can actually hear the representatives on the phones talking to different business owners and employees at different businesses. And so, I overheard him, talking about some things. So I asked him some questions, and one of the things that he said was that, and that was kind of surprising to me, was that if you file each and every quarter, and I've seen people do this, okay? They have a sales tax permit and they're filing 0, 0, 0, 0 each and every quarter. That is a huge red flag. They will literally come to your office, to your retail location, to actually let you, you'll be up for an audit by the state of Texas. So I want to be clear that the IRS and the state of Texas are two different things. Sales tax goes to the state. The federal tax, it goes to the IRS. So we are specifically talking about the state of Texas. So if you have a sales tax permit and you're constantly putting 0 just to get it done, you could be up for an audit. It is a huge red flag to them. Even if you go back and you later, okay, I'm going to amend it later. Don't do that. They know that you're in business to make money. They want their piece of the pie. Secondly, if you are not filing your sales tax and you're just paying the estimated amount, that is another red flag, and it will put you on the list to be audited as well. Another thing, they actually do field visits. So if you haven't paid your sales taxes, you haven't filed anything, they will actually show up. The Texas, the law enforcement from the comptroller's office will come to your place of business, and they will actually, he used the word, what word did he use? Pretty much try to persuade you to file and make a payment whenever they come to your place of business. So to avoid, these pop-up situations and these visits from the state of Texas as it relates to sales tax, definitely make sure that you're filing on time. Definitely make sure you're using, as close, you're accurate as possible when you're making these filings, and make sure that you're just not getting notices, writing a check, and then thinking that you're done with it, because it's a huge red flag to them. One of the ways to make sure that you are pretty much hitting the bullseye each time is to make sure that you have a POS system that is reliable and that you are accounting each and every day. You're uploading. At least every 2 weeks. When you're dealing with sales tax, they want their money. And for some people, they may be on a quarterly schedule, and others, they'll be on a monthly schedule. But you want to make sure that your accounting is in order as it pertains to sales tax. If you are selling items where the third party that you're using is not collecting and paying sales tax for you, I know Shopify, Amazon, and eBay, for a lot of individuals, generally speaking, you don't have to worry about sales tax. They handle that. They mark it up, and they pass, you can pass it along to the consumer, and they handle the sales tax payments for you. But if you are selling handmade things at different, you have a store, or at what do they call, the markets, if you go like the farmers markets and things like that, if you're selling actual manufactured goods, you want to make sure that you are accounting for your sales, and you are collecting sales tax, and you are paying sales tax, in the state of Texas, because he told me even if you owe $100, that's enough to prompt them to give you a visit. And another thing with sales tax, if you miss enough filings, they will freeze your bank account. I have had them to call and give me a warning for a client. If they don't file their sales tax, they will be freezing their bank account. Okay. That is how serious sales tax is. Now, if you need assistance in making sure that your accounting is situated for sales tax, please click the link below. We can set up a consultation and talk about your needs as a Texas business owner to make sure that they're not knocking on your door and you're not prepared. All right. If you found this video helpful, please share this with another business owner that may be dealing with sales tax and sales tax issues. And until next time, stay profitable and stay great. Please subscribe so that you will not, and click the notification bell so you won't miss any videos as it relates to taxes, Texas taxes, IRS taxes, bookkeeping, accounting, and then opportunities to make money. Until next time, stay profitable and stay great. Bye, y'all.